If you are using an ICG bike, there are a few extra steps in order to connect the power meter. First, ensure Bluetooth is enabled. Then, pedal a few times to wake the bike up. You will then see the ICG console power on. Once the console is on, select Power Training. You will then be asked to pair an app. Select Yes. Now return to the Motosumo app. Click the lightning icon and select your bike. You will notice that on the Motosumo app, there will still be a loading wheel next to your bike after you select it. Even though the ICG bike says that you are now connected, you must finish the other steps on the ICG console in order to complete the connection to your power meter. Follow the next few prompts on the console, and once completed, you will notice that the loading wheel next to your bike name will have turned into a check mark. Your power meter is now connected. You can select Done and begin your ride.